What's up? I'm Dane Gudauskas. Yeah, these are my brothers over here. This is Patrick, Tanner, T-Doggy. We got Triple Crown on tap.
We do this thing every year. We go over there about this time of year and just gotta strap it up and get down.
You know, you have pretty much anyone who's anyone is over here for all three of these events, really, and pack a wave at, you know, pipe or a great ride somewhere on the North Shore is as valuable as doing well in these contests. And that's a huge part of coming to Hawaii is to earn the respect of your peers. I hold that really high in regards to quote-unquote doing well is, you know, having people stoked on your surfing. And
it's honorable to surf well in the Triple Crown, and people look to your performances out here and with a lot of respect because the waves are so challenging, and it's a great string of events which we're super stoked to be a part of.